There's so many people walking around with bad teeth, broken teeth, because they don't know what to do, because they don't have the right information or they don't have the right knowledge. She didn't want to end up with dentures. She didn't want to look old. She didn't want her bones to shrink. So she wanted fixed permanent teeth with implants, full arch implants, so she does not have to wear something removable.
My husband is the mayor of our town, and there's always different events and banquets and weddings and conferences and things that I travel along with him, you know. And for me to stand next to him, that's his right hand, it's very important for my look to be complete. It's very important to portray a full, healthy look, not just for anyone else, but for myself. When I speak, or if I have to speak or just stand there, I want to be presentable. I want to look polished, and I want to have my self-confidence and express myself the way I would like to, other than shying down or cutting conversations off just to close my mouth.
So one of her main concern was her face is collapsing, her face is sinking because of missing teeth. When the teeth are missing, you lose jawbone. When you lose jawbone, your face starts to sink. And so she was starting to feel that.
I understand the fear, the pain, and the money. For me, the fear went away because it's something that I truly desired to have done. I kept seeing all on four, all on four, all on four. So I wanted to know what that was about. So I looked into it a little bit, and then I go on the internet and I put in the best dentistry in Chicago. When that happened, New Teeth Chicago came to the top. Their Instagram account was very instrumental in me choosing New Teeth Chicago. And it also helped to see all the awards that he had on the wall for being #1 for years. That said a lot for me, because I knew that I would be better. I knew that my mental and all that would be better. A smile to me means happiness. A smile to me means joy. And a smile comes with a gleam in your eye. And it's just been a great thing for me. I just can't find the exact words that I want to say, but now I'm eager to speak to everyone and just be myself. It has done so much for my confidence, my mental. A great smile is everything. It will change your life.